Hi, my name is Mikayla Roach. I started grad school in January of 2023, so right now I'm in my second academic semester of grad school. I'm working on earning a PhD in biomedical engineering. I participated in grad track 2 years ago as a mentee, and this year I'm serving as a mentor for Circle 12. One tip I have for starting grad school is to do a summer start. At Purdue, there's a summer start available for grad students, and it's called the Graduate Bridge Program. It's an 8-week program that includes extremely valuable workshops on topics that will help you to transition to grad school. These topics can include budgeting, getting health insurance, prioritizing your mental health, career planning, forming positive relationships with the people you work with, and so much more. Participating in Bridge also allows you to start and complete onboarding that's required for grad school. It's really nice to be able to get a lot of the administrative tasks and training off your to-do list all before classes even start. You also get a chance to get a head start on your research. In addition to this, Bridge also gives you a very supportive community. Bridge gives you an opportunity to find a family on the Purdue campus, and it's something that I'm really grateful for and would recommend for everyone.